YouTube, Kirby01, faster than you mini bikes. Out here on the testing tune. My man MTRX Auto on his built Mm80, stretched out with the pocket bike wheels. He trying to get everything together, get the carb right, cause he been having carb issues. You feel me? But he trying to get it together now, and this thing is fast, shorty. Fast. That thing is fast. I keep telling him, boy, that thing gets squirrely. You need to get a motherfucking stabilizer bar. That thing gets squirrely once you get to hitting up them speeds.